Everyone, I'm Monica and welcome to PWG Malta. Are you considering relocating to other country? Well, Malta is the perfect choice for you. This beautiful Mediterranean island offers a lot and you will enjoy living here. But today, I would like to share 5 reasons why Malta is the perfect choice for you. Give you a short tour near to our office at PWG. There are a lot of great restaurants, pubs, shops, and also a lovely seaside along with the Gizera Promenade. Come. First reason is the language. We all know that before moving to another country, the first thing that we are checking is the language, if we can able to communicate with other people here, especially on our work. So the good thing here in Malta is that English is an official language and it's widely spoken. You can expect to find all government forms and documents in English, and as well as all the road signs, restaurant menus, and other crucial bits of information. Two reason is convenient transportation. The best thing about Malta is that their public transportation is both efficient and cheap. Did you know that if you have a residence card here in Malta, you can travel free anywhere here in Malta? And if you don't have if you don't have your residence card, then you can buy a bus ticket for only €2 that you can use for 2 hours on the main island. Then if also bus isn't your cup of tea, then there are also cars, scooters, and ferries to catch. Number 3 reason is the employment rate. Malta offers a good job prospects for both low and high skilled workers across a variety of industries like hospitality, retail, manufacturing, tourism, medical, and also construction, and many more. Let me give you an example of the range wage for the low-skilled workers like the waiter or waitress. It will start from €800 to €1,500. And for the high-skilled workers like the managers, their wages starts from €2,000 to €5,000. The biggest reason why people move here in Malta is for the low income tax in the country. Here they have only 15% taxation on income remitted to Malta. Finally is the number 5, which is work-life balance. Of course, everyone wants to have a good job and earn money. At the same time, we want to enjoy our life. Well, Malta is the best place to release our stress by exploring the island. Hit like and share with your friends and see you in Malta. Please don't forget to subscribe for more content. There you have it, guys. Those are some of the reasons why you have to consider Malta as the perfect choice to live. So if you need any assistance, please feel free to contact us on www.pwggroup.ae.